Hello everyone, today we'll be unboxing our newly launched Heart BioAmp Candy, which is a single channel ECG sensor to record the biopotential signals of your heart. It is perfect for students and researchers as it offers reliable and accurate ECG recordings, making heart monitoring accessible and convenient for educational and research purposes. Now let's see what's included in the Heart BioAmp Candy kit. So as usual with all our kits, we give this sticker pack and a cute little thank you card. On the back of the card, you have all the details to apply for Project of the Month. Just scan this QR code and submit your application to get amazing cash prizes, discount coupons, or a chance to get featured on our social media handles. It also includes a guide which contains everything you may need to get started, like connection diagrams, specifications, caution, and a brief about electrocardiography. In this anti-static bag, you'll get Heart BioAmp Candy, which is purple in color and has this premium gold enamel finish. Its size is comparable to a candy and the exact dimensions are 3.5 cm to 1.5 cm. It is open source and the link to the GitHub repository can be found in the description box below. Let's talk about its specifications. So you can connect it to any 3.3 volt or 5 volt microcontroller. It has a fixed gain of 2157 and a bandpass filter of 0.5 Hz to 34 Hz. You can use it with any development board within ADC or a standalone ADC of your choice. It can record single channel ECG signal and comes with 3 electrodes, positive, negative and reference. Let's see what else we have got here. So you got 3 jumper cables to easily connect the sensor to the compatible development board or any external ADC of your choice. This is BioAmp Cable V3 with a length of 100 cm, which lets you connect the sensor to either these gel electrodes or Heart BioAmp band. You get 12 pieces of gel electrodes that have 3 pieces each of 4 variants. You can also order more of them by scanning this QR code provided on each of these electrodes. It also comes with 4 pieces of alcohol swabs, as you should always clean the skin surface before placing the electrodes. But in case you don't want to use gel electrodes and don't want to get waxed, then you have an option to use Heart BioAmp band, which is a dry electrode based ECG band. And here comes the best part. You can use Cords, which is our open source web application to visualize and record all the biopotential signals, including ECG. In case you want to stream the ECG data in LSL, then you also have an option to use our Python script, which is Cords Python, so that any device on the same Wi-Fi network can visualize the signals using LSL viewer apps like BrainVision LSL viewer. Both Cords and Cords Python are free to use and the links are available in the description box below. What projects are you gonna make with it? Let us know in the comment section. Also, we are shipping it worldwide. You can find the link of all our stores in the description box. We'll be creating a detailed video on how to use Heart BioAmp Candy to visualize the ECG signals. So stay tuned and subscribe to Upside Down Labs. Also, we have recently launched our merchandise. So you can get this cool t-shirt, this mug and this mousepad on our online stores. See you in the next one. Bye bye.